Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new bookmark folder for your bookmarks in the Midori Web Browser. So let us dive into this. Alright, so let me launch the Midori Web Browser and open up a new tab by clicking into this plus button here. So guys, as you can see here, that's the bookmarks menu or bar, and you will see your bookmarks here. So you can create new folders and organize your bookmark pages that way. So let me do that really quickly. To add a new folder, right click into anywhere here into that stripe or bar here and select add folder. Give it a name like my, I don't know, websites or something like that. And after that, click into save, and that's the folder. And you can move, for example, your bookmark websites to that folder, just like that. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.